I need you to move, buddy. I gotta sit here. No, don't hiss at me. I know you get possessive about this chair, but Jesus. Oh, wombat. Why are you such a wombat all the time? Why are you a wombat? So crazy. Wait, how am I gonna do this? I need like a trash can or something. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm sick still. Actually, I feel great. I just sound really sick. My name's Alex, if you're new. If you're not, I'm still Alex. Today, I'm going to be mixing my own blush. And I thought that we would do it together because I thought it would be fun. And if it's not for you, then you can leave. But hopefully you enjoy. So I have these two powders. I have this Givenchy blush. This is in Organza Scene. Wait, see, Scene, right? Scene? S-I-E-N-N-E. Scene. Sen. 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 Organza Sen. I don't know. It's this blush. It's their like more peachy blush. Little brick, little peach. You know what I mean? There's some tones. A little coral, a little salmon tones. Okay? I also oh no wait, it's not this. What am I doing? And then I also have their Prism Libre. There's a way that I said it one time where, because I always want to go rrr, but that's not right. It's like a back of the throat thing. I said it right one time, but I'm sick. I can't do that right now. Anyway, I have their, that powder in Voila Rose. Wait, Voila, right? Voila. Is that how you say it? Voila Rose, this one, number 3. Number 3, which is the rose colored. There's like peach and rose powders in here. I don't know how well you can tell on camera. But basically what I wanted to do is, I don't know if you saw my sugar cookie makeup look. I used this blush from Clio, which was such a pretty pink on my skin. Such a pretty pink. Beautiful, but like would not go with a look like this. You know what I mean? Like I've got a lot of warm tones, khaki. I really like these formulas, but this color just isn't correct. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna use these and I'm gonna mix my own blush. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do some sacrilege. I'm gonna do some sacrilege. Wait, can I take this out? Oh shit, I can't. Oh God, now I need to find like a new container. How's this gonna work? I have to sacrifice something. What can I sacrifice? I thought I had one of those like plastic things that I could just pull out, but it looks like I'm gonna have to sacrifice something. All for the experiment. Can I pull that out? Yeah, I never used this. I'm gonna sacrifice Tatcha. Sorry, Tatcha. This is the Tatcha. What is this? Oh, the silk powder, and I just never use it. It's just like a little bit too shimmery for me. So I need a trash can. I'm gonna dump what I can into this trash bag. And then tweezers are a necessity. I need tweezers because I gotta get under here, you know, and pull up this plastic thing. That's number 1. I don't know about you guys, but when I was a kid, this is probably so bad for you. I used to mix my own nail polishes. So I would like sit in my room. Oh, I got it. With the door basically locked, windows shut, and be like mixing a bunch of different nail polishes. Oh, I got it. Goodbye forever. All right, it's a little guy. It's a little guy, but it'll do. So how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna start with the powder, which I haven't opened yet, so I should probably open it. So yeah, it has really pretty like tones. I mean, this is like a setting powder, obviously. And I just like, I'm not pink. I can't use a pink setting powder. There's just nothing that I'm gonna be able to use this for. So I'm gonna use it for this. Could I use a little powder on my T-zone? Probably. So I'm gonna shake it up. I peeled off the thing, I'm gonna shake it up. Show it who's boss. Ooh, what a pretty color. Oh my God, so pretty. It's just like pink. Oh God, this is gonna be dangerous. I should probably get a spoon or something. I'm not going to. I'm just gonna scoop it out with the tweezer, end of the tweezers. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with that, which probably looks really light, but it's like a very, very light pink in there. I'm gonna start with that. I'm gonna do the same thing with the blush. I'm trying to go for like a peach that's like around this value. So it's not too dark, so I can like build it up, you know? Ooh, but that's just so dark. It's just too much. Okay, and then very sanitary. I'm just gonna mix it up with the tweezers. I just put in like whatever came out. You gotta start somewhere, so you just gotta do it, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not gonna be precious about, I don't know, that's not really working. I'm gonna put the cap back on and just shake it around. That's what I used to do with nail polish too. Just like shake it from like every angle, every position, you know? Ooh, okay. That's not bad. Look at it. I feel like we've gotten somewhere. Should we try it? Is that like peach enough? That's not really peach enough. I don't know, let's try it. All right, I'm gonna put this thing back in. This is meant for a setting powder, not a blush. How does this work? I don't remember how I use this powder. Oh yeah, okay, so a little bit comes out. All right, so we've got this going right now. Okay, so it's quite light. So I'm gonna I've been loving this Make Beauty brush. Maybe I'll zoom you in a little bit. I've been loving this Make Beauty brush. God, there's powder everywhere. It's the powder brush, and it's just so good for powder blush. So I'm gonna pick it up. It's a lot. And then let's see. I'm not wearing any blush, by the way. Is it too light? It might be a little too, it does look pretty, but it might be a little too light. I usually like my blush to be buildable though. Ooh, I think we did it perfectly. Ooh, what do you guys think? Oh, I think it looks so pretty. It definitely complements this eye look, but it's still like soft enough, you know? Oh, I like. I've also had a problem recently with my cheek, like this area just being a little too dewy, but mostly because I've been sick. So despite all the work I put into taking care of my skin while I was sick, you know, that's like a hard thing to keep up when you're really sick. So I'm starting on the apple of the cheek, going up the cheekbone. Oh, I like that it's like very buildable. I think we nailed it. First try, boring video, done. So one pass is like a really nice light amount of color. 2 builds it up a bit, makes it a little more like intense. Ooh, but it's so soft, you know? That is so pretty. I like it. It's very fall, you know? It's not quite peachy. It's a little bit more on the terracotta side because this ended up being a little bit more in that vein. But what I like is that it's not, like if it were too peachy, it would look a little too much like summer, you know? And that's not it's not summer. That's not what I want right now. This is not a summer look, you know what I mean? Like we are very much winter vibes. I really like that. I think I'm gonna keep this powder And I'm gonna keep it so that I can mix more blushes, because like, why not? Oh God, there's powder literally everywhere though. Finishing, some finishing touches. Now that I have everything on. If this makeup look isn't up already, it will be very soon. It's a long one though. It's like a get ready with me, so just be warned. Be warned. If you don't want to hear me talk about random shiz, you are not going to want to watch it. If you're like, this girl is so annoying, all I want are her makeup tips, this is not the video for you, okay? Very nice. Compliments very nicely. Oh, I'm happy with that. Okay, I'm glad we did that. I'm gonna set my face with some all-nighter. Why do I never get the fan before I start that? That is so pretty. Very happy. Very happy. This is your sign to mix your own makeup products. And you don't have to sacrifice a powder like I did. That was just simply out of necessity because I didn't plan well enough for this. You could just get like a little container, I don't know, like a little powder container or something from Amazon or whatever, and do that. And I don't suggest that you mix your own nail polishes, because I don't think it was very good for me to breathe all of that in. Yeah, but that's it, guys. Just a quickie. Just wanted to mix some products with you. You know, if you watch this channel at all, that like I'm often mixing things constantly. Can never just use one concealer, can never just use one foundation. I often am mixing lots of different formulas, especially when I get compliments on my makeup. Recently, or like semi-recently, I was at a beauty convention type thing, and people were like, your skin looks amazing, what did you use? And I was like, get ready, because I mixed 4 different foundations. And I'm pretty sure 2 different concealers. So it's like, things work so differently for different people. You're probably gonna have to mix things at some point, you know? So don't forget that like, you can break whatever you think the rules are, you can break them. Use brushes for things that they're not meant for. Use products for things that they're not meant for. Experiment. That's how you figure out like new ways to do your makeup, new techniques that might work for you. And it's just how you innovate, dude. You gotta fuck shit up, you know what I mean? Thank you for watching this little quickie. Go mix some blush. Go do it. And subscribe and all the shit. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you in the next one, hopefully. I'll be there. Sparkle fingers. Bye.